Hello, my callers. So, we're watching the Sound Bomb stage for Red Red. I am going to also be watching their short video that they dropped. I thought it was maybe them like doing a cheer for Red Red, or I don't know, but I think it's like titled like cheers to, or give cheers to Red Red. So that's gonna be coming afterwards. But anyways, we're just gonna go ahead and watch, y'all. Hey, that's red, red, green. Also, like this is our first time seeing them wear this outfits aside from the MV, so I'm like, ooh. I'm waving.
저번보다 많은 것 같아.
It does look a lot, yeah.
매점에서 손인사했는데.
몇
어.
명이 받아주셨더라고요. 그렇죠. 예. 인사 한번 드리겠습니다. 하나, 둘, 셋. 안녕하세요, 콜티스입니다.
제가 두 번째 사운드밤으로 돌아왔죠.
박수!
Woo.
다들 응원봉도 색깔 바뀐 거 보셨죠? 그러니까.
Yeah, it's red.
예, 이제 레드레드니까.
그리고 오늘 우리 의상도 뮤비착으로
좀.
예.
Not him doing that. I can't.
그러니까. 감사합니다. 귀여워해 주셔서.
And then,
준비됐죠?
but yeah.
한번 연습해보고 갈까요? 5, 6, 7, 8 팔랑이 팔랑이
Red,
눈치나 살피기
red, red.
도가니 살이
That's red, red.
넘어가 울타리
Green, green.
오케이 화이팅! 예스!
하나 둘 셋 하면 화이팅 한번 외쳐갈까요? 하나 둘 셋
오랜만이네 화이팅하는.
Green, green. I do like they're not doing the choreo for this, they're just enjoying it. Unless I shot this before the... No, because it already came out. They said the MV, so... Red, red. Green, green. That's red, red. Red, red. Red, red. Hey. That's red. Oh, where is he going? Hey. Hey. Oh, I like how they're using like the extended stage for this. Red, red. That's red, red. That's red, red. Green, green. That's red, red. That's red, red. Is this necklace? I think it's reflective. I was like, hey. Red, red. The light sticks look like the things you like direct traffic with. Not gonna lie, that's cute though. It makes sense. Oh.
좋은데? 오케이.
인이어를 빼니까 바로 들리네 떼창이.
전 인이어
나이스.
뚫고 들어왔어요.
그리고 생각해 보니까 저번 싸밤 때는 저희가 팬분들이
Oh,
이름이
yeah.
없었더라고요.
아 맞네.
Now they
이제
do.
이름이 생겼잖아요.
네.
이름이 뭐죠?
Koa.
혹시 어제 리뷰 오셨던 분?
Oh, okay, so this is after. Okay, gotcha.
오늘 또 여러분들이 앵콜 하고 싶다 해가지고 또
와,
앵콜에 이렇게. 감사합니다. 아 좋아요. 저희도 좋았어요. 그래서
오늘도
They said it at the same time.
텔레파시.
바로 갈까요 그러면?
오케이.
Let's go.
Oh, I think they added like a whole stage like around it between the rows too of the chairs. Okay. It's definitely a lot more safer, I would say, than just having them get down onto the thing. You know what I mean? Okay, so they're gonna do one for Encore. Oh, it's Saturday. I like how they're doing these like afterwards. I put my hand in my pocket. Okay, I will say like they definitely are another group that I would say whenever they perform, it literally turns into like a concert. I always say that about Boy Next Door because like the energy is always there. They're always like putting in like 100% with like the energy, and they feed off of the fans like energy too. So I definitely say that Cortis is another one of those groups that give off as much as they like, as much as they get when it comes to like that. And yeah, overall like the deep voices, I was like, oh, like because I know I always say Songhyun, which I didn't realize that, or I don't know if it is, but I did see him like do like a challenge or doing like a challenge for like his part. I didn't know because I know it says like Om, his last name is Om, right? Om Songhyun. So I'm just like, oh, I didn't realize that like you could do a play on words with, or it is like a play on words for his during his part when he's like call me a freak. It kind of does play out on words with his last name. I didn't realize that before until I saw that. I'm just like, you know what? It does kind of do. I don't know if they meant. I feel like they probably 100% meant to do that, or I don't know if they just figured it out later. But it does give off the same vibe. So like again, you just need to like hear the song and like look at the lyrics a lot more to see what other meanings they put in it, because it seems like again very much like random here and there until you kind of like dissect it. So I just like seeing that too and being like, oh, like wow, I didn't realize that until like afterwards. And yeah, it's very. I'm wondering if they're going to perform anytime soon with these outfits, because like it's very different. I would say it's like still retro, right? But it's very different in terms of like the retro with the athleisure wear that they've been doing, where it's like that's more comfortable. I would say this is a little bit more what's it called? Like a little bit more extra in terms of like the look, where it's like, oh, like kind of crazy colors, like bright colors for like again that more retro vibe. But yeah, I really enjoyed the performance. I am excited to see the encore. I'm pretty sure they probably won't have, because they haven't dropped the album yet. So that's probably, unless they go back on here after they drop the album, which I won't be surprised if they do, because they kind of did that, or I think for the first one they did go and I think they did What You Want, but they did win on multiple times. I think whenever they did it all in one sitting, but they separated it so many times in the video, right? But we'll see what happens with that. But we're gonna go ahead and watch the Red. I think give cheers for it. I think that's what the clip was called. Oh my god. I don't know if I should have worn. Not him taking off his shoes. Oh wow. Oh my god, I'm dead. It's kind of giving how they did Young Creator Crew in that restaurant. But here they're doing it in the studio. That's red, red. That's red, red. That's red, red. Oh my god. Throwing punches, essentially. I think they did, oh my god. Oh, good lord. That was a lot of screaming. But I mean, who's gonna hype up your song if you don't, you know what I mean? So... Oh my goodness gracious. Not the tambourine. Oh my god, not the tambourine. Adashi. Adashi. What is oh my god, Gano. He just stack. Yeah, that challenge that Songhyun and James were doing, they did a challenge with that, no? Like, I'm dead. Like I'm playing, it's like on loop basically is what's happening. Yeah, yeah. I kind of regret keeping the inner ears in and not taking them out. Cause I can literally feel like the vibrations of them yelling. This carpet has me nervous, like a rug, because it's like sliding as they run around. Oh my god. No, yet there it goes. It's lifting up now. That's red, red. Songhyun got tired. He's like, I'm gonna just sit down for a second. Oh, I was just about to say, how many Red Bulls did they have for them to be like this energetic? And I'm like, I see them all over the desk. What is this stare down going down? Like he keeps he keeps doing that. Not him just, okay, just throw, okay, throw the, he just, oh my god, again, okay. What is red. Oh, now I'm getting onto her. Oh my god. I hope it's always them editing this, because otherwise I'd be like the poor, like, whoever's wearing like earphones. Like, hopefully they didn't wear earphones to edit this, because Lord. And the pop in and lock in. Yep, they're running on Red Bull. Did you just chug that whole thing? Damn. Yeah, Sunghyun is out of the energy. He's like back there. There goes Joohoon. Yep. These three. Yeah, Joohoon and Sunghyun sum up me right now. I'd be like, one more time, one. Okay, no, they did. They finished. Yep. Yeah, no. Again, the amount of energy they end up having, like, could never be me. I'm always just like, I would be tired. Like, again, I hope I'm just saying, like, I hope their manager, like, is always energized and, like, always, like, ready for whatever, because I feel like with them as a group, you definitely have to be on your toes all the time. 100%. Like, I'm sure when it gets, like, I always say, like, once they get, like, to serious stuff, they'll sit down and, like, be like, yeah, no, we gotta focus. But on the most like, for the most part, I feel like they're just so crazy and so energetic, and this song definitely, like, just feeds that energy more, because it is really catchy. And again, like, who's gonna hype up your own, like, your song if it's not you and your own group, but that your own, like, you know, the artist who sings the song. So I like that they just kind of like, you know what, we're just gonna sit in the studio and, you know, just vibe and, like, just go ham and go crazy, just to, like, be excited, I guess, for the release of the song. I don't know if this is when they dropped it, or, like, if they're still working on it, or what the context is of them being in the studio. But yeah, it just makes sense with them. And I was just trying to, like, keep up and be like, okay, who's doing what here? But already I tell y'all, like, immediately I would be Joohoon and Sunghyun in the back at the very end and be like, okay, yeah, no, like, I'll just wave the light stick and that'll be it. Like, I can get a little bit crazy here and there, but I think after a while, I think after the first or in the middle of the second time of them replaying or looping the song, I would have been like, that's it, I'm done. I have no more energy. But yeah, so I am going to be watching, obviously, I think the behind the scenes for the MV already came out, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong. There's one more video or two more videos, because they dropped their dance practice or fixed dance practice or something like that. And then I know there is that one variety show that they went on, I think. And if they do go on Show Champion, that will be also coming out tomorrow. So that's another thing I'll have to end up watching, but just keep an eye on that, and I shall see you in the next one.